हांव सांगूंक सोदतां खरें म्हणल्यार आमी आयज पर्यंत ना PFI मेंबर आसा ना तांकां रुपयाचो केन्ना आमी फायनान्स केलो पूण आयज हें जे प्रमाणे तांकां जें आयज PFI म्हणटा तें तांकां बॅन केल्लें आसा त्या साठी तेमी आपोवपा जाय पूण हांव म्हणटा कोणाक आपोवपा जाय तें तेमी पळोवपा जाय नो डावट समज ताची गरजेची आसा जाल्यार समज कोण प्रोटेस्ट करता जाल्यार वेगळी गोश्ट आमी केन्ना तुमी आमची हिस्ट्री काडून पळयल्या जाल्यार आमी आमच्या देशाक विरोध गांवचे विरोध आमचे लोकल हांकां लागून केन्ना आमी अशें करूं ना जाल्यार तेमी चिंतपाक जाय हें पळोवचें पयलीं बाबा कोणाक एरेस्ट करपाचें कोणाक ना की अशें तुमी हें करचें न्हू वायलंट जावपाचें न्हू ती बॅन केला म्हणून तुमी पूण आमकां संबंद ना न्ही समज हांव मेंबर आसलेलो नाल्यार आसलेलो जाल्यार तुमी म्हाका हें करता म्हणून करूं शकताले पूण आमी मेंबर ना तेमी पयलीं पळोवपा जाय की बाबा कोण हितून मेंबर ना कोण हितून
आपयले की तुमकां पुलीस घेवन आयले
ना म्हाका आपयले
ते थोडे जाण म्हणटा तांकां पुलीस घेवन आयले
हय तांकां तेंचे खबर ना म्हाका आपयले तेमी कितें जालें फायन पूण म्हाका दिसता की हांव जाल्यार इनोसंट आयलो हांवें केन्ना असले हितून केन्ना आमी पार्टिसिपेट जावंक ना हांवें समज आतां ते म्हणटा की देशाचे विरुद्ध काम करतात अशे थोडे ऑर्गनायजेशन तितून आमी जाल्यार केन्ना पार्टिसिपेट जावना आनी आमी तसल्याक केन्ना आमी लागीं करयना
शाहीद युअर एडवोकेट यू रिप्रेझेंटेड देम कितें जाल्लें आयज कित्याक आपयल्ले सगळ्यांक
See what has happened now. Yesterday the PFI organization got banned. Okay. So in the morning I got a call from one of my known friend saying that Mr. Riyaz Kadri has been picked up from his house. Okay. So when I went to the police station inquiring about what has happened, why he has been picked up from his home, when I reached there were around 7 people. 7 people, namely, probably I know them, most of them I know. Okay, so that was the case was that they are being suspected that these people are going to create unrest in the society. That's it. Just because of there was a suspicion on them, there is no link, there is nothing. My parties are totally innocent. This is the part and parcel. I don't know what is going on with the police, what pressure they are getting from the government. Those people have targeted my party here. That's it.
So what?
Now the thing is that the deputy collector has taken this thing in the cases in hand. He is going to inquire about it and what is the real case. We'll see that what police has the evidence against my party. Okay. So I don't think so there is any evidence against my parties because my parties are totally innocent. They just have been linked with this. I don't know. There is no linkage at all. There is no nothing, no documents at all. Nothing.
Why is the personal bond being asked?
The personal bond is asked just for that is a simple, that is a formality.
Arrest after arrest.
कलेक्टर साहब ने कहा कि ऐसे गलत चीज़ों में आप मत इन्वॉल्व हो जो भी है देश के हित में होना चाहिए ये उनकी तरफ से एक अच्छा मैसेज भी हमको मिला तो सही है और हम भी आज तक आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा पूरे गोवा के लोग जानते हैं हमने आज तक कोई ऐसा गलत काम नहीं किया है जो देश के हित में देश को हित में ना हो हमने हमेशा वो काम किया जो देश के हित में है और आज तक जो भी सही लगता है वही काम करते हैं कभी बुरा काम गलत काम आज तक कभी हमने किया नहीं कभी PFI कोई भी चीज़ों में हम लोगों ने इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है उनको शायद हो सकता है कहीं से इंफॉर्मेशन हो कि वास्को के अंदर ये सोकॉल लीडर्स हैं जो हर एक मुस्लिम्स के इश्यूज़ लेकर के आगे बढ़ते हैं तो शायद उसी बात के ऊपर उन लोगों ने हम सबको टीम को बुलाया होगा इंक्वायरी के
So basically based on suspicion आपको बुलाया
शायद
don't have any link to the PFI. Suddenly they called us and told, no, we are taking preventive measures.
But now I have heard that there is arrest been made because
No,
surety, bond and surety has been paid.
They take a preventive measure, something they protect that.
There is no such serious issue as such. When they have been produced before me on the apprehension. Only an apprehension. There is nothing adversely reported against them. And as a precaution, we have released them on a personal bond. And accordingly, I will conduct the inquiry, or I may give a direction to the police also after conducting an inquiry that something is suspicious against them. Nothing more. At this point, I cannot say it.
What is the issue actually?
See, you are aware that then a gazette has been published by the Ministry of Home Affairs regarding the PFI activities or the anti-social elements or the spread of the various activities which are illegally being done by them. In that connection only, this is being as a preventive measure. The police are doing all these inquiries in the present matter. Nothing else.
Yeah, thank you. Sir.
We don't have anything serious on it.
Nothing serious here, no
Yes,
PFI
yes.
linkage.
No linkage as such. I have found anything on it.
Okay, sir. Yes, thank you.